Hello everyone. Today I'm sharing the classic potato sabji recipe that goes inside a masala dosa. This sabji is so good you can enjoy it with rice as a side dish or even try it as a filling inside your sandwich and see how amazingly it tastes. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and support the channel. Here I share recipes from my many years of cooking experience, learned from friends, family and my own kitchen experiments. The goal is to make your home plate more delicious with simple and easy cooking. Here I have kept all the ingredients ready. The only thing left is cooking the potatoes. Sometimes pressure cooking the potatoes makes the potatoes mushy, so I prefer cooking the potatoes in microwave oven. It is easy and less time consuming. If you have a microwave oven, please make use of it. I have taken 4 potatoes and I will cook it in microwave oven for 2 minutes on each side. Once they are done, I will show you how well the potatoes are cooked. For now, let's start making the sabji. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds, quarter teaspoon of cumin seeds, next 1 tablespoon of chana dal. Fry it. Next I am adding 1 large thinly sliced onion. Along with this add few curry leaves and 2 to 3 green chilies. Now very patiently cook the onion in the medium flame until it turns golden brown and slightly crunchy. Add salt as per your taste. Let's see the potatoes. They are completely cooled down. Let's peel off the skin. See how easily the skin is coming off. Wow, look at this. Perfectly cooked potatoes. Look inside. Mash them using a fork. You do not need to mash them completely. Keep those lumps. Here onions are nice and crunchy. Let's put half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. The potatoes are ready. See how I have kept these big lumps. Let's put this in. Give it a quick mix. Look at that, how beautifully the yellow color is blending with the potatoes. Sprinkle some fresh coriander leaves. Close the lid and cook it in a low flame for 10 minutes. The idea is to let the bottom layer of the potato cook slowly and develop a slightly roasted burnt layer. This roasted potato flavor gives an extraordinary taste to the sabji. Enjoy this sabji with your dosa or as a filling for your sandwich. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.